action in Oras.
Really?
Annie, did you hear of it?
No, what's that?
Nigerian police, I like us to clap for them.
Orazi.
Annie, please clap for them if you have clapping. I'm begging you.
Why? What did they do? Tell me first.
Now, some group of young boys, when they hear what they talk every day here, say, everybody get in day. And when you do bad thing, your day they come.
They catch you.
Decided to go and stand around my house area in Oras. And in a Jehovah, save my family people.
What did they go to do there?
Then stand there for bullion van to pass. And the bullion van through pass.
Then
they stop her. Then the bullion van stop there. And make us a clap for police. Especially one slim one. I can't believe they're gonna rain.
It's a rain of claps.
Nigerian police, we congratulate you for that action. They took it and a very fine boy, Annie. Very fine. I don't get close to see him. I wasn't even around. But
I just not fine, but it's a very fine man.
They say if you see the boy, fair, fine boy.
Now you be the policeman.
No, now the boy they walk around, they time the area.
They catch him.
They kill him. They shoot him.
Who shoot him? Police.
Police.
That is the end of Solomon Grande.
In mates, then take off from backyard. My problem is, if they want to carry out such action, they should go to Rumibo area.
Why?
And go and wait.
Why?
Only their side. In this area, my house. What if, by mistake, one bullet pass there?
What do you pay for Kole place?
Kole the house. Kole they play PlayStation. They play game. He has nobody. I'm asking for the day, my house plenty. They should not be coming through our area.
I hear you.
When they go Kule side, Rumibo, that area, people that they do that. Not only the main road, motor naturally they cause hold up. And they can let them pass that road.
Why can't you suggest they go to Ada George, where there is always
Ada George, police don't gather there. See, yes, police. I don't know if I pass go Ada George, I see over 50 motor of police park for Ajim Junction by Ada George. What did they park they do? I go ask somebody, say any problem around here? Person say no, that's what they park for some days now. 50. They don't spread themselves. Since they cannot do one man riot,
1 man squad.
50 police. They don't spread.
They just did there.
They gather one place, which is wrong.
Very wrong.
In my estimation, it's wrong.
But of course, they need to
The
spread.
blood and gun crusade. If you see the blood and gun convention, they're supposed to spread some good day. And I judge by Gule shops. I give me that place name. Boba. Some suppose the location junction. Some suppose the Okritin junction. Some suppose the all gather from one place. If you see gatheration, you have no idea how
Which kind English with that?
nobody has to Hausa language for this morning for this program. Today, we go speak all the Hausa English as I would speak today. And in the speak outside the abuse inside the Hausa, you know you're married here, so. Bashiga. Shiga. He said Bashiga the opposite of what you are.
What do you call the other?
You're the Mutru.
No, the girls around the one that you call
Amalekite.
Amalekite. So he said that Bashiga. I said Bashiga, no, the opposite of Amalekite.
You're
Now he said, okay, Shiga.
Shiga is the enter. Bashiga is no enter.
Fine, so what's the opposite of Amalekite is enter. Sorry, nearest in meaning.
It's enter. You're a fool. I swear.
So now I am begging. Let's leave police. They did very well. At least if they do well, we'll congratulate them. They were able to scatter and scuttle that situation, which is a very wonderful thing they did to save billion van of money. I saw watch for a video the other day. They show for Imo State.
Scatter and scotch.
The policeman will try to shoot one person. We ask the policeman they kill him later. For that video where they show for Facebook and Instagram and all that.
For that bank. No, there's another gun where they shoot at that time. You know, say, I think be the wrong. That guy be the shooter for back. Now he kill say first use this in spinal cord. But that guy, me, I think say in foolish small. How? Why? See, the position we take inside that house, there's more cover to ram than that running way run out. Because the people where they shoot them, they outside open. In get brick to cover them. Now just to time. if to say na trained army, to say na army, they no kill him.
Na trained guy now.
That no, if I talk now, I say kill that one.
Take one down.
Fine, I say take one down. He can't run. If for remain there, because when they say one don't come down, they don't know where the gun they come from. The people don't go fit enter there.
They don't know where the gun come from.
You don't understand? They don't know where the man stand. Whether now the other side or na this side. So anybody will want put a head, except just they shoot rapidly, but him now don't wait. As the guy they shoot, wait for him. As he shoot head now, he kill him. If for remain there because there is cover inside that house for him, than that house I when you run come out. As he run come, you don't get any protection. You know even where what did they call that thing?
Protective vest.
That's bulletproof. He can't they run. So as he they run, the man they shoot out from back. And he useless.
No, Stanley say it's possible say they run out of the bullet.
Okay, better bullet no day again for him.
No, na police. Police they shoot nonsense. Police they shoot timely. Police will answer you.
That's in one shot.
Police will say, where they hear with the police own. If they go direct, you get focus.
You get
in. About rapid, open anywhere, face them anywhere. Sometimes the one say they shoot, so they won't even kill him. Follow.
All of us make we go.
So now that is what happened. Yeah. But whatever it is, our young Port Harcourt boys, Owerri boys, Aba boys, Bayelsa boys, Delta boys, those people they hear us, Calabar boys, Uyo boys, you don't need this robbery anymore. You know they pay because now, what do they call that thing? Cashless society. Even me now, can I hope pass 2,000 for a wallet for physical cash? Me I hope pass 2,200. Man 200 I take pass the Ghana own for physical cash. Any business me you they do, I go transfer for you. I go stand where you did, transfer for you. So they won't come to rob.
Many people say they carry POS now. People they get POS.
How do I carry POS? POS.
What they tell me can't transfer.
I transfer for you now. I go transfer. It go work. When I transfer, it go work now. You know the one that they transfer, many code they come where I go type. When I like I type. And then if you have that one, what I'm saying is physical cash need the rain again. People don't carry physical cash about. Those people they carry bullion for and all those things. Police they follow their way now. Don't get sense. So we're talking to our youth, them, our fellow young boys like us.
Oh shit.
You don't need that. Even if not to go learn handwork, and it's
true.
No handwork way bad though. Handwork is handwork. Even if the handwork,
there's dignity in labor.
Even if
handwork you learn.
Even if the handwork where we say, nah, pimples they look, making sure that pimples not there here. Pimples they're not handwork. There are people removing handwork. No. People they cut nail, the handwork. I know some boys for us. One been fair before, when they do fine boy, they do dada. The other say me don't black finish. And then he ask as they come, what happened to your condition? You know well. But when I see him, where I can say I've been go Ghana, from Ghana I can't come back. I say now I know say this boy, in fairness to him,
they need to check.
No more fair.
My condition.
In fairness to him, you know more fair. And they say, well, I don't get their lot. Somebody said, don't send you money. So now, as a matter of fact, Annie, we're talking to these our brothers and sisters. Our brothers, basically. No need to carry gun, enter road. Instead, carry a vulcanizer machine. Instead, now after our government don't leave vulcanizers to everywhere they want dinner. Nobody can stop you again.
Yes.
Government don't leave newspaper sellers to anywhere they want dinner. Sell newspaper. Sell this. When you start anything small, before you know it,
God will prosper the work of your hand. Yes.
There is one man in Ikoku. Do you know what the man sells?
No.
Bolt, not, no bolt. Not whether they take tie.
Just the bolt.
Only, nothing more.
Yes.
Even if the bolt, where they want to tie the whole of caterpillar, where they want to join two caterpillar together, one bolt, two caterpillar, in get up. It's not the smallest one.
In get up.
When you want to tie this your charger wire, in get up. Only bolt, only. And the man is doing well. If you go to shop, you go mad. You go see all sorts of bolt in this world.
You don't have niche for yourself now.
He know they to sell.
You know him as the bolt man now.
He's the bolt man.
Hey, sounds like some superstars, man.
No, maybe that bolt, that cartoon, maybe bolt cartoon. Where they shock person. I said, that man.
This is a very good thing when you choose trade for yourself. I know one man. Only thing when they do now to repair umbrella.
Umbrella.
But if you see the way when they take.
People they call them umbrella.
Me umbrella. If you see the way when they take.
No, this umbrella for Hausa.
Even buy mama put for your front here.
You say? I don't know what to be umbrella for Hausa.
Are you from Hausa?
Umbrella.
I know what to be umbrella.
Umbrella is.
Who did tell us what to be umbrella for Hausa?
I'm going to tell you.
Who go ahead and umbrella?
In Yoruba it is agbojo.
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 Agbojo. You go.
Ojo is rain. Ojo is rain. So agbojo is something that protects.
Oh, I don't forget that.
You see, I did it another day. You don't know to be umbrella for you.
It's agbojo.
You should. We go ask her. Please, is agbojo truly umbrella in Yoruba?
They will not argue it.
I have
A1 in Yoruba. A1.
In Igbo, it's in Germany. That's watching water.
They must have a name for it. Can't be watching water. That one and the Hausa method.
Now that policeman we killed that Amraba for us was it on Tuesday? I mean Wednesday. Tuesday. Now from Gota in like that inside Gota.
Should you see that inside they go back?
In the side.
No, another motor they follow the main one. Yeah. Umbrella is Lema in Hausa. Lema. I remember. Yes, Lema.
See?
Sule, thank you. In French,
I know now. Somebody said Lema. I tell them
if to say the first
in French is called umbrella.
In where?
La umbrella. No, person don't get them. La umbrella.
Now that policeman come out from the second motor where they follow the brilliant van and inside gutter, lie down for gutter, open fire. And so when they come out from the gutter, say the same body, gutter.
I think I saw a picture of him.
He foiled the attempt.
Who the attempt? He killed person.
He killed an arm robber.
The guy like that for we are white. I see the picture.
I saw the picture of him all in
white. We are white with black trousers, white shirt, black trousers.
So the arm robbers were
the other two, they say enter one hospital, take off.
See? You see how God is doing his thing? We have said one day, your day will come.
You see with him?
This umbrella is Abojo.
Agbojo.
Not Abojo, that is Abro.
No, Agbojo.
That is Calabari is umbrella.
Help Mikey. He's practical from his practical.
Now, together for no.
Where together?
Okay, Abojo, together to Lagos. He's coming back on Monday. He went for course. You know, he's a senior member.
Yeah, cameraman, why you collapse all my everything like that? Not even.
It's okay. You know, Bobo is called Mbelare. It's an English name.
The boy,
an English Bobo name, Mbelare.
Out of say they don't feel pronounce the umbrella.
Okay,
Okomo call him Mbelare. Okay, can call him umbrella.
Mbelare.
Now the refined version of umbrella.
Ogoni is Kaebo.
Kaebo.
Kaebo.